Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change background on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click and no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change background on Skype. From this home screen, I would like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have your profile name. So go ahead and click on your profile name. It's going to take you to this window where you have Skype to phone, Skype number, Skype profile, bookmarks, all the way down to sign out. So I'd like you to select settings, and your settings window is going to open up. So from this settings, I would like you to check this corner of the settings window where you have account and profile, general, privacy, appearance, audio and video. Go ahead and click on audio and video, and now you have this stuff here. So if you want to change your background, as you can see, it's just pretty simple here. We have the blur background that you can add to your video. You have this other background here that you can add to your video. As you can see, the background is just changing and change to something else. You can select the next background, and this is just like I'm in an office space. You can select the other background, and you can select the other background, and you can even click on this three dots menu for you to browse a wide array of backgrounds. So here you have featured backgrounds. Of course, this is loading up. All right, so this is loading up, so you can just select from any of those options, or you can even add your customized background by clicking on this plus icon, and it's just going to take you to your home page where you can now add. So let's say this is the background I want to add. I'm just going to click on open, and this is open. So I clicked on it, and I'm going to go back. So here we go. So I have been able to successfully change my background on Skype. So this is pretty much how you can change background on Skype. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.